another adventure of the Algiers Garage. Today, Tommy and I, the mad scientist, are going to attempt to fix my blunder yesterday. See, when you hear something open in the truck, you should stop and really check, but I didn't. So, we're going to use these tools, and we're going to try to straighten this mess. So stay tuned, and wish us luck. The Lord only knows we need it. Welcome to the Algiers Garage. Okay, I straightened this a little bit. I put a jack in, we pushed it this way, and I made it a little better, but as you can see, and you can see how it's bent there, and you can see, bless you, Tommy, how it's bent down there. We're going to try to fix this. How neat is that? So, father along, without further ado, and Regina's even going to help, right, kid? Let's see if we can straighten it. God, I hope so. It's junk, but that means it's fixable. Okay, so what I did, I cheated a little bit off camera. I put a jack here and I pushed on that. And it went that far, that quick. So I'm not sure if we want to try that some more first. So for anybody wondering, what happened was, Tommy scratching my paint. That's what's happening right now. What happened was, this flopped down in the driveway. I didn't know it. I thought one of them opened, so I got out and looked, and there was nothing. So then I decided to go to the bank. When I went to the bank, this was open, and I caught the concrete, and it pushed the whole box down. So now, we're going to try to jack it up, push it front, and completely ruin it the rest of the way. But I have complete faith in that, right, Regina? She's supervising to make sure we do everything just right. Aren't you? Yep. Anything so far? We doing good? All right. Let's get cracking. So what do you think? You want to try to push here again first, or you want to try to jack up first to get that straight?
Put the jack under the bottom to try to push up.
So do you want to use the floor jack for that? See the bottom jack for the twitchy stuff? This is boring. Well, you're 100% right. We both agree that it's definitely boring. Are you kidding me? Are you for real right now? You can't even get hired help around here. Look at this. He's here 10 minutes. Unbelievable. Wow. Just wow. I don't understand. Oh, this is something I didn't think of.
Hey.
I'm trying to get this camera so everybody can see it. Calm down. You want to block the wood under there or just a jack?
Yeah, you could do a block of wood.
If anybody can wreck this, Tommy. Oh, wait a minute, I already did wreck it. Never mind.
Okay. Take a question.
Or do you want me to let it down to see how far it went? Or do you want to go, and then we can decide if we need to go a little farther? You know we're going to have to go farther.
I could go up with yours, and I'll get the jack long ways, tweak it that way. Because if you look at towards that,
So why don't we try to let it down once and see how that far that's going to stay?
Okay.
And then
I probably won't.
if we got to go farther, you know, we're going to have to go a lot farther. That's what I'm trying to figure out. We're going to have to literally push that up inside there.
Yeah.
That's about it. I'll give it a minute, and like I said, while we're doing that, like we said, we'll push this down. We'll try to get this to work. just push this thing down all the way.
Yeah.
Well, you gave me the wrong one.
Well, I can't help you bought a weird one.
It's not weird. It's Harbor Freight. That block of wood's messing me up a little bit. Why won't this thing do anything?
Because we're usually not meant to be laying down on its side.
It worked before.
That or you gotta close the valve.
Excuse me. We got to reset it on. This block has got to be sucked in. That's what's messing me up. I can't. That jack will fit perfect on the tire, but that block has to go. Yeah, there you go. There, now it'll work. As you can see, auto jack and jack still. Good time we put the wrong spot.
Actually, it probably won't work because the handle's on the bottom.
Handle,
Yeah, that
would
would.
put it. Warning to anybody who try this at home. Chances of this popping out are very slim. That's why Tommy can make sure he gets his face out of there. See how it's going? How much farther are we going to have to go past? Oh, probably pretty far. And then let it go from back.
Good as new.
No, it's not.
Just leave it the way it is and go.
Yeah.
Don't take the jack out. Leave
So
it
we
on
gotta,
there.
yeah, we'll just drive it like this. So we gotta go a little bit farther then, and then let it
Yeah.
go. We're actually over bending to correctly bend. And once we get it to a point that that door absolutely won't shut, I'm gonna loosen the jack up, and we're gonna try it. As soon as the master scientist says when, to stop. Try it. All right. Now we're going to let this down. This is the part I'm nervous about because that's a lot of metal when that spins. It went right back, didn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's better. What part won't latch or won't? Tommy, we got to go front farther.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Yeah, I know. It's been back, but I seen if we could get it past.
So we got to go past it a lot farther than what we did.
Yeah.
Well, try it again.
Yeah.
Trial and error.
Uh-huh.
Trial and error. So yeah, close that up once so everybody can see it. See, this is, it's tight here and it's loose here, which means this box has to be, the bottom has to go that way and the top has to go this way. Obviously we can't do the top too fast. We're gonna push it harder that way.
Yeah.
And if we gotta put, the only problem is if we go too far, going the other way is not gonna be easy. We have nothing to push against. So we gotta be a little careful. You wanna use that again or leave that out?
No, I'll put that back in because it'll keep it support at least.
Isn't it amazing when you do that, it lines everything right up? Look at that. Oh, it's definitely jacked now. Maybe we could give it one more tweak, maybe that'll do it. Oh, where'd you put my pipe?
Behind you. I'm wondering if we should put a board across it. That way the whole box goes.
Maybe. There's one right behind me.
Yeah.
That? Or is that not enough?
No.
Yeah, I guess that's where it's gonna be. We gotta go really past, we have to really go far past
yeah.
that spot. But that thing's up in there extra hard, you know, so maybe. Is it going?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
No, it's just that. Oh, hold on.
You definitely want to go past it.
Now you could go.
I'm trying to wreck my toolbox.
No, I want to
You're
make sure the
supposed to
door's
be
open.
fixing it.
What? Oh, you're helping? How's it looking?
How far do we go past now?
I'd say go ahead and let it off. Because it's pushed this way a good amount.
That's what we want.
Yeah.
See, where the problem I see happening is when we push on it, the box is walking out this way.
Well, that too.
Uh-oh.
That, and then let it down.
Did we go too far?
I don't think so.
Nice!
See?
It even straightened that up there.
Yeah.
Thank God these things are cheap. That's all I gotta say.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it actually did straighten that out.
It did.
But like you said, why?
I think it was my own blunder. I think I didn't have it latched right. Because I remember playing with this cabinet saying I'll latch it later. I remember that.
Okay.
It's going to be tight. Now the only question is it going to try to pop open because there's too much tension on it? Just keep an eye on it, that's all. Yeah, see, when they got to close hard like that, okay, so what's making that happen? We got it straight.
If we push it on this side, you can get it.
So what has to be tweaked yet?
You can get it if you push in on it.
But the question is it going to pop up open now? Because there's too much tension on these. You want to pop open.
Not really. Now, if the handle's down, it shouldn't go anywhere.
Could be something weird, like it could, like that side over. Open this. Is there a lining, a double liner inside this box? No, single.
Yeah.
Is that adjustable latch or no? I don't think it is.
No.
No,
But you could bend this and bend these
a little bit.
out, make it a little easier.
But what's catching the most? Are these catching or is that catching?
Couldn't tell you. I'd say it's probably, it could be this, having to push out.
Sounds like it's right there.
Yeah.
So what do you need for that? And that first order is adjustable. Now we're trying to adjust the latch. Is what we're trying to adjust now.
Top, middle.
Bottom drawer. The drawer is falling out. I figured you could fix that too out here.
No, I can't.
Well, why not?
Because you broke it. You put too many tools in it.
Better?
Yep. Yeah, at least one-handed now. How they're pushing it.
As long as it doesn't keep popping open.
The only thing I'm wondering, if you stuck a bolt maybe like here and up here, okay, to hold the box, maybe what's happening, the box is bouncing, flexing too much, and that's why it pops open.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I didn't even think of that.
Yeah, because if you're not supporting the outer edge,
True.
see, like when I bought the steel ones from Tractor Supply, but I supported them from the bottom.
See, the problem with that one over there was I had a double insulation thing on, and because it was that tight, that kept making it pop open.
Right.
Still, night and day, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Me and Tommy have been doing stuff like this for a long time, but when it's your own personal stuff that doesn't matter to anybody else, and it does me, like, I put a lot of time in this truck, and to do that was devastating yesterday. Can't believe I did something so dumb. There you have it. Who says you can't straighten it? Mad scientist, Regina, I. There's not much we can't do. Remember, hit that subscribe button, like, share it, tell everybody if you can. The more the merrier. We're working on 1,000 subscribers. We're dying, but we're trying. Thanks for checking in. I'm your host, Rick. Can't forget about Tommy. Regina's down there. Say bye, Regina. And we'll see you next time. God bless.